If GOG Galaxy is showing error 404, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through a few simple fixes that can help get you back into the launcher fast. This issue is usually caused by a temporary connection problem, a corrupted cache, or a network setting that's blocking the launcher from reaching GOG's servers. The good news is that you can often fix it yourself in just a few minutes. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like button if this helps and subscribe for more quick tech fixes, gaming tutorials, and software solutions. That way, you won't miss the next guide when you need it most. Let's start with the first method. The first thing you want to do is exit GOG Galaxy completely. And when I say completely, I mean close it fully, not just minimize the window. You can right-click the GOG Galaxy icon in the system tray, then choose Exit or Quit if that option appears. This is important because the launcher may still be running in the background even when it looks closed. Once it's fully exited, go ahead and relaunch GOG Galaxy as an administrator. To do that, find the GOG Galaxy shortcut on your desktop or in the Start menu, right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Running it with admin privileges can help if the launcher is being blocked by permissions or if it needs elevated access to connect properly. After that, wait a few seconds and see if the error goes away. In many cases, this alone can resolve the problem. If you're still getting the GOG error 404, move on to the second method. This one focuses on your network connection and DNS settings. First, press Windows plus R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. In the box, type CMD and then press Enter. This will open the command prompt window. Once command prompt opens, type the following command exactly as shown, ipconfig/flushdns, then press Enter. What this does is clear your local DNS cache, which can remove old or broken network information that may be causing the 404 error in GOG Galaxy. After you run the command, you should see a confirmation message saying the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. Now the next step is to restart your router and modem. This may sound basic, but it is one of the most effective fixes for online launcher issues. Power off your modem and router, wait about 30 seconds, and then turn them back on. Give them a minute or two to fully reconnect to the internet. This refreshes your connection and can clear out temporary routing problems that may be preventing GOG Galaxy from connecting correctly. After that, check whether you have any active VPN or proxy settings enabled. If you are using a VPN, disconnect it and try launching GOG Galaxy again. Also, go into your Windows proxy settings and make sure no proxy is turned on unless you specifically need it. VPNs and proxies can sometimes interfere with launcher authentication and server access, which can trigger an error 404 or similar connection issue. At this point, try opening GOG Galaxy again and see if it loads normally. If the issue was caused by permissions, DNS, your network, or a VPN, one of these fixes should help restore access. If not, you may want to check your firewall, temporarily disable antivirus network filtering, or reinstall the launcher, but the steps in this video are the best first fixes to try. So to quickly recap, first exit GOG Galaxy completely and run it as administrator. Then open command prompt, flush your DNS with ipconfig/flushdns, restart your router and modem, and disable any VPN or proxy settings that could be blocking the connection. These steps solve the GOG error 404 for many users and are safe to try. If this video helped you, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more troubleshooting guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.